for joining us on the broadcast, sharing your perspectives with us on NewsX. Moving on to some more news coming in. Mumbai is once again grappling with the full fury of the southwest monsoon as intense rainfall continues to lash the city and suburbs. The Indian Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for heavy to extremely heavy showers with gusty winds up to 60 kilometers per hour possible in isolated areas. This follows several days of relentless downpours that have already brought significant waterlogging and disruption. Low-lying areas like Andheri, Vikhroli and several subways remain severely flooded, forcing commuters to wade through knee-deep water and causing major traffic snarls. Local train services have been affected. There have been delays with some routes affected as well, while a high tide of over 4 meters has compounded the flooding risk in coastal and low-lying zones. My colleague Shweta Verma has a ground report for us from Mumbai. Take a look.
Heavy rain lashes the city of Mumbai. In fact, we are currently present at Veera Desai, that's in Andheri, and in the visuals my video journalist is showing you, in and around me the entire place is submerged in water. In fact, the inundated roads are the consequences of near about 3 hours of rain that has Mumbai witnessed, and in the visuals my video journalist is also showing you how the vehicles are also submerged in water. This entire place is being seen completely inundated, and as per the IMD, in fact for the next 2 hours also Mumbai would be receiving heavy rainfall. Having said that, we have also been seeing that since we are present at this important stretch in Mumbai, that's in Andheri West, we can see here as far as our camera lenses can go, you can only see knee length water here, and it is very difficult for anybody to assess that there is beneath these water, is there any open manhole or what kind of things are crawling down. But having said that, it is completely different and difficult for people to have their daily commute easy, and in fact the daily commute is thrown out of gear, disruption in traffic, and this entire stretch, as you can see, is completely submerged in water. The visuals exclusively for NewsX viewers here from Veera Desai Road, where in and around me this complete area is submerged in heavy rainfall. The heavy water in fact is being seen around me. With video journalist Vishnu, this is Shweta for NewsX.